This rapid tour unveils history's strangest inventions, pulled from dusty patents and forgotten laboratories to spark sheer curiosity. Electric corsets promised dynamic support while circulating currents, with some models claiming firm posture and a fashionable buzz. Anti-snore helmets aimed to suppress noisy nights by gentle vibrations and alarms, a quirky attempt to tame restless sleepers. Yet these ideas showcase brilliance amid oddity, merging hardware with comfort and revealing how patent culture fuels uncomfortable progress. From forgotten threads of innovation to modern memes, the weirdest inventions remind us that curiosity sometimes wears a corset and dreams.